Hi guys, this is Chloe Kiefer with Evolve Lab, here to bring you another video about Revit Generative Design. In this video, Bill, Clara, and Ben are going to be going through the randomization method.
Now let's go to the randomization, which is my favorite. Randomize. So in this option, it's similar to the cross product, where you don't have goals or constraints anymore. You just have the variables. But instead of doing the cross product and just getting subdividing the value, the parameter values in as much as you want, it's gonna create random. It's gonna get random values from each one of these parameters. Is that correct, Ben?
Yep. So basically, instead of you saying 2 for each one, it's just going to randomize. And if there's not enough solutions, if you only put 10, I'm only going to give you one random number for each slider. If you only put 4, for example, and you basically you choose the number of solutions you want, and based on that, the randomization happens within all those different sliders or those inputs that you have there.
4.
Yeah, this graph actually is pretty simple. But when we're looking at multi-domain optimization, where you have a lot of different inputs and a lot of different outputs that you're trying to maximize, that's where this could take a while.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is a very small script and it's a simple algorithm. So nothing crazy is happening, and we already have all four the options. So we can see that by the end, it's actually start to get more random here.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. All right.
A dinosaur, the top right one.
Oh, there you go.
A little T-Rex.
It's like an ink blot study. We have to see like what pattern we see in the tile patterns.
So this is one of 4 different methods of generative design that's used in Revit. If you'd like to check out our other videos, we go through all 4 of these methods in separate short videos.